video, I will show you how to download and install Sublime Text Editor on Windows 11. Let's get started. Firstly, open your web browser. You can open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Next, go to official Sublime Text website. For you just need to type Sublime Text Editor in search bar. After typing Sublime Text Editor in search bar, here you see list of website names and result. You can see here there are many website present in this Windows. Sublime text editing done right. You should click on this link. When you click in this link, here you have to click on download for Windows. If you download for Windows, you should click on download for Windows. If you want to download for other operating system, you can use Linux, Mac, Windows. Here I am downloading for Windows. I will click download for Windows. When I will click on download for Windows, I have to choose where I want to download this file. So I have chosen folder, download folder, and after download folder, you simply save. When you save this file, our Sublime Text Editor is now downloading. After Sublime Text Editor download, we will install it. For installing, first of all, this download should be done. You can see our file downloaded. Now it's time to install it. For installing, we go where file available. You can see Sublime Text build. Here our file is available. For installing it, you have to double click on this file. After double clicking, you have two options, yes and no. You click on yes, then next, then next, and install. After this, you can click on finish. When you click on finish and click on Windows logos and search Sublime, you can see here our app is installed in Windows 11 without any error. Now you can simply install it. You can simply open it. Double click on Sublime Text, and after double clicking on Sublime Text, you can see our text editor is working without any error. You have any problem regarding this video, you can tell me in comment.